Marketing versus branding, the age-old debate. Are you struggling to grow your online business? Is your product fantastic, but you just can't seem to attract the right audience and the right attention? Or perhaps maybe you're feeling overwhelmed with all of the marketing strategies, shiny objects, tactics out there, and you're not sure where to start. If you don't tackle this now, your business could remain stuck, stagnant, spinning, and you may miss out on potential growth and profit. Now, you might think that your primary problem is ineffective marketing. That's a common misconception. But the actual issue might be a lack of a strong brand. You might be focusing on entirely the wrong thing. Most online entrepreneurs think if I just market more, if I get more eyeballs, use better ads, hire a better PR team, I'll break through. But here's the shift. Marketing gets eyes on your business, while fantastic branding makes them stay. The real problem isn't the quantity of your marketing, but perhaps the quality of your brand. Your brand is the foundation on which all of your marketing strategies are built, and without it, your efforts may fall flat. Let's take a deeper dive and see how branding and marketing work together and how they differ. When I first started my online business, I thought it was all about the marketing. I have a marketing degree as in my undergrad, so I just thought more ads, more posts, more emails. But no matter how much frequency I was using, I wasn't seeing results that I wanted. And that's when I realized that my brand wasn't resonating with my target audience. I started focusing on building a strong brand identity, sharing my story, my values, and the problems that I solve for people, the transformation that I promise. And guess what? My business took off. And that's why I'm so passionate about helping others with their brand as well. It's the missing puzzle piece that can transform your results. Even back when I was in traditional media, working for a radio marketing group, we would have clients that ran the perfect campaign. We followed all of the marketing best practices, had the right frequency, ran the campaign for long enough that there should have been response in the market. And some businesses did fantastic and others fell flat. Clearly, there was something happening beneath the marketing. And as we now know, that is the brand. Let's look at this through a different perspective. When you're understanding the relationship between branding and marketing, think about it like the sun and the solar system. If you're intrigued, let's illuminate this further. The sun, aka your brand, is the core. It's the center, the very essence of your business. It's the gravitational pull that holds everything together. And without the sun, or if you have a dimming or dying sun, there's no warmth, no light, and no life. Similarly, your brand defines who you are, the values that you hold, and how people perceive you. It has the ability to attract people to you. Now, the solar system, the marketing, imagine all of the planets, asteroids, comets, all of those things as your marketing efforts, and it's constantly revolving around the sun. Each of those planets or elements represents various marketing channels, from social media to email marketing, paid ads, etc. They all rely on the sun's gravitational force, just as every marketing effort should align with your brand's essence. And when the sun and its solar system are in harmony, there's this natural flow, there's a balance. That is your sweet spot. You need both branding and marketing. Your brand, aka the sun, provides this guiding light and warmth, while your marketing, all of the planets, ensures that this light reaches as far as possible when you have that strong gravitational pull that brings it back around. It's attracting more and more people who resonate with your brand's core. This awareness leaves you with a choice. You can continue to struggle with your online business, trying every marketing tactic under the sun without any real success. Or you can take control of your brand and marketing efforts and build a business that truly stands out. You don't want to just be another faceless online business who's throwing a bunch of spaghetti at the wall. You want to be a brand that your audience loves and trusts. If you haven't been paying as much attention to your brand, the first step is to figure out your brand positioning. I have a brand archetype quiz on my site. It's absolutely free, quick, easy, gives you access to a bunch of amazing resources that are specific to your unique position in the market. So when you complete that quiz, you'll get a detailed report with insights on how to leverage your brand archetype for that maximum impact and attraction. I'll drop the link below. Take the quiz, unlock your brand's innate advantage, and start building a business that resonates deeply with your target audience. Your brand success is waiting for you, and I am cheering for you.